Hey, money-making wizards! Let's talk about something revolutionary that's not just for Silicon Valley nerds anymore. I'm talking about AI tools that are more useful than your grandma's secret cookie recipe. And that's saying something. So, if you want to grow your finances faster than I can binge-watch Netflix on a lazy Sunday, you're in the right place. Buckle up, because I'm about to show you the top 5 AI tools that will have your bank account doing backflips. First up on our AI hit list, ChatGPT. Yep, the same AI tool that writes your essays at 3 a.m. can now grow your business too. Imagine you're planning to launch an online store but don't know how to market it. No need to hire a team of overly enthusiastic interns. ChatGPT can spit out business strategies that sound like they were crafted by a high-paid consultant. Only this consultant doesn't require health insurance. It's like having a super intelligent business coach that also has a caffeine addiction and never sleeps. Moving on to Turing, your AI buddy for investment strategy. Forget about sitting through hours of mind-numbing stock analysis. Let Turing do it for you. Think about this. You're sipping a margarita on a beach while Turing is busy making sure your investment portfolio is diversified and optimized. It's like hiring Warren Buffett, but way cheaper and without the weird ties. With Turing, your money will grow faster than a kid's allowance when they do chores right before Christmas. Next up, we've got QuickBooks AI. This one's the accountant of your dreams, minus the overpriced bill and awkward small talk. It analyzes your spending, tells you where you're blowing too much cash, cough, daily lattes cough, and helps you budget like a pro. It's like having a best friend that's brutally honest. But instead of saying, "You look tired," it's more like, "Your Starbucks budget is out of control, friend. Maybe go for drip coffee once in a while?" Say hello to Jasper, the king of sales copy. Need to sell something but don't have the gift of gab? No problem, Jasper's got your back. Let's say you've got a product and need some killer copy for your website. Instead of staring at a blank Google Doc and questioning all your life decisions, just let Jasper create headlines that make people throw their credit cards at you. It's like having Don Draper write for you, minus the whiskey and questionable morals. Finally, Acorns, the little squirrel AI that saves and invests your spare change. Imagine buying your daily coffee, and boom! Acorns rounds up that $4.75 to $5 and invests the extra 25 cents. Over time, that little squirrel's been busy, and suddenly you've got enough saved for that dream vacation. Or maybe just a stress-free trip to Target. It's like having a squirrel that squirrels away your money, but instead of burying it in a backyard, it actually grows. So there you have it. 5 game-changing AI tools that will make you richer, smarter, and maybe even a little bit lazier, but in a good way. Now, before you go off and build your AI-powered empire, do me a favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on those notifications, because trust me, you don't want to miss out on my next video, where I teach you how to make money while you sleep. Let's get rich together.